Hey guys, I'm gonna be building a gaming PC in Gorilla Tech. So let's get our motherboard and put our RAM on it. 100. And I got my AMD the most you can get CPU, 5090 GPU. Okay, motherboard on. Okay, we got it. So um we need to get fans. Okay, so we have the water cooler now connected to the CPU. Let's get onto the fans. Okay, so we got the first set of fans. I almost forgot my power supply. So I'm gonna put my power supply in. Okay, so my computer is now complete. I got my monkey, which is decoration. And I have the power supply, the fans, the RAM, the GPU, the motherboard, the CPU with the water cooling, and these fans. And I got the power on button.